Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 940 online. First, ensure you meet the IRS requirements for electronic filing, which generally applies if you paid $1,500 or more in wages in any quarter or had one or more employees for 20 or more weeks. Next, collect all your business details, including your employer identification number and accurate FUTA tax information. Finally, select an IRS-approved software to begin the process. Once you have your software, it's time to prepare your data. Carefully calculate your total Federal Unemployment Tax Act, or FUTA, liability. Remember, this is typically 6% on the first $7,000 of each employee's wages, though state credits can reduce this. Double-check all wage and payment information for accuracy, and confirm your employer identification number is entered correctly to avoid delays. With your data prepared, the next step is submission and payment. Follow your chosen software's specific instructions to electronically transmit your Form 940 to the IRS. For payment, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, is the preferred and most secure method. After submission, always confirm that your return was successfully received and save your confirmation number for your records. To ensure a smooth filing experience, be aware of common errors like incorrect EINs or miscalculated tax liabilities. The IRS website offers valuable resources and instructions for Form 940 if you need further assistance. Remember, accurate and timely filing helps you avoid penalties. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for an enhanced reading experience. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.